Hello again, traders. Right, long time since I've made a video about charts and things, but I wanted to share this unshared before little idea that I trade. So what you're looking at is the 2B reversal on an M1 chart on US 30, and this here would have been the original entry, the safest entry. And we're focusing on the yellow daily open line. Now, it's important for me to explain why I love all my indicators so much, but we can look at this one in particular today because this is the sort of setup that I never really talked about before, and it is you got the original 2B breakout there. We'll look at the line chart quickly. Where's my line chart? There. So the final low, this is the low that's broken the previous low, the lower low, is, look at that go, is the last level of resistance. Resistance because it's pushed price below that low there. That's what I call valid resistance. Apologies about that. And so that's the proper 2B reversal entry with all we're talking about here, with all the correct indicators as always. So over here there was a little breakup, but notice you're always protected from false entries, almost always, by the fact that if it had broken up, you think, oh right, okay, this is a 1, 2, 3 higher low. And should I take it? Well, the indicators all scream no. And that's why I love the indicators. You know, all these people that deny indicators work, the ICT gang, the SMC lot, they are being lied to. And that's all there is to it. If you added my indicators or other good indicators, not necessarily mine, to these other so-called naked chart systems, you would improve your win rate enormously and your confidence. It's all about confidence, isn't it? So look at that go now. I mean, this is just so just so confidence boosting, you know. I mean, that's incredible. But it's all about the test of so I'm down here, I'm looking for a retest of the daily open, and when I'm down here there's a 2B inside that there. Looking at it, testing. This was an absolute slam dunk. You got all the different what's the word? Oh God, I'm losing it because I've been up studying charts. Confluence of all you got the bust, pullback, break and close there. You got the bust, pullback, break and close there. We've got all the stuff on the charts. We had also noticed that this is going up with the Bollingers, strong part of my 3CR bot. Everything is just saying buy, breakout of the daily open. And if you were concerned that that might be a bit odd looking or whatever, just have a look at the US 100, US Tech, whatever you want to call it. And it was almost identical, pushing it up at that daily open. And there we go. Test. What am I going to do? Breakout. What am I going to do down here when this is broken with all the normal green triggers? Go up. It's a 2B reversal to the long side to test daily open. Test. It's not going to reverse. You know, there's no reason whatsoever, and you can look at multi-time frames for that. There's no reason you want to be reversing. So if it ain't going down, it's probably going to go up, isn't it? You know, and that's it. That is the way I look at charts all the time. And what time is it now? It's only 6:37 in the UK. There's nothing really that should be driving this market. It's not even the Frankfurt Open yet. So anyway, I wanted to make this video about that. I might have overstepped my 5-minute video, but I'll load it anyway.